Hey, what is up, you guys? It is Charles OI here with kind of a note iPhone tip, useful tip for you guys. For some of you guys that know how to do it. I'm making this video for the guys, for the people that don't know how to do it, or they're not aware. So right here, I'm in Dying Light notes. I'm in notes on the iPhone. So I wrote down Dying Light data. So what I'm going to show you is how to pinpoint a word or a number, or it could be anything in your notes. So let's say I want to the Bazaar Church safe zone. So what you want to do is once you are in a specific note, you want to click these three dots with a circle around it in the top right corner, and then you end up here. Next, what you want to do is you want to go find a note, and this little thing will pop up. And okay, so I'm gonna spell Bazaar. So BAZ. Okay, so see, there we go. Bazaar. It only took 3 letters. So, and you can do this for every one of them. So home brew. Let's go back to the top, and let's go home. There you go, home brew, or 313. So just delete it. So it could do numbers. So 313. Okay, I think dash. See, if you put a dash, but it could be without the dash. I haven't tried it like that yet, but it's pretty handy. So if you like this tip about iPhone, like, comment, and do subscribe for more future tips about the iPhone. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Have a good one. All right.